Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Velas Mobile Wallet application. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open your Velas Wallet app on your device. Once you're inside your wallet, from the main home page, tap on the gear icon located at the bottom right hand corner, which will then open up the settings menu. Now, scroll all the way down and you will be able to see the Logout button under Security tab. Simply tap Logout and you'll be redirected to the main home page for Velas Mobile Wallet. In order to log in back to your account, you'll need to enter the password for your wallet. That is how easily you can log out of your Velas Mobile Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.